Deadline for sending 1096 and 1099 to the IRS.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will be discussing the deadline for sending Form 1096 and Form 1099 together to the IRS. If you're a business owner or a self-employed individual who needs to report certain types of income, this information will be important for you. So, let's get started.
What is Form 1096?
Before we dive into the deadline, let's quickly go over what Form 1096 is. Form 1096, also known as the Annual Summary and Transmittal of U.S. Information Returns, is a document used by businesses and self-employed individuals to summarize and transmit multiple copies of certain information returns to the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. It is typically filed along with the related forms, such as Form 1099.
What is Form 1099?
Now, let's briefly touch upon Form 1099. Form 1099 is used to report various types of income, including but not limited to payments made to independent contractors, interest income, dividends, and rental income. There are different variations of Form 1099, such as 1099 MISC, 1099 INT, and 1099 DIV, depending on the type of income being reported.
Deadline for sending 1096 and 1099 to the IRS.
The deadline for sending Form 1096 and Form 1099 to the IRS is January 31st. This means that you must ensure that these forms are mailed or electronically filed with the IRS by this date. It is important to note that this deadline applies to both paper and electronic filing methods.
Penalties for late filing.
Failing to meet the deadline for filing Form 1096 and Form 1099 can result in penalties imposed by the IRS. The penalties vary depending on the length of the delay and the number of forms involved. Therefore, it is crucial to file these forms on time to avoid potential penalties. In conclusion, the deadline for sending Form 1096 and Form 1099 together to the IRS is January 31st. Make sure to mark this date on your calendar and file these forms on time to avoid any penalties. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any further questions, please consult the IRS website or seek professional advice. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.